In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make print and cut stickers with the Xtool M1. I will show you two types of stickers, Kiss Cut and Die Cut. Kiss Cut are the kind that peel off a sticker sheet, and Die Cut are the kind that are individually cut out. If you're not familiar with the M1, it is a laser cutter and a blade cutter in one. If you were to take a laser cutter and a craft cutting machine and then smash them together, you would get this machine. If you want to know more about this machine, I will leave a link to the full unboxing and review video in the description below. For this project, you're going to need sticker paper. I am using white matte and also holographic. First of all, place the cutting mat into the machine and align it in the working area. The mat has two sticky sides, so be sure to remove both of those sheets, then press it down firmly so that it doesn't move when you start cutting out the project. Now it is ready for our material, so place your sticker sheet down in the middle, just loosely right now, so don't push it down completely. Close the lid and head over to your computer. As you can see, I have Xtool Creative Space open, and if I click on refresh, it will take a photo and give me a view of what the machine looks like in real time. This will allow me to see where the paper is and how large my stickers need to be. Now I'm coming up and going to select the function Print and Blade Cut. Change materials from user-defined material to self-adhesive PVC sheet. You can also use white sticker paper. Go to File and come down to Import Image. I'm going to bring in all my images from my computer, and I have to bring them in one at a time. So let's go ahead and do that. I designed these beautiful butterflies, and if you're wanting to use them too, I'll leave a link in the description to the bundle they came from over on my website. Now I just make them a bit smaller to fit. I like to add a rectangle guide when I do stickers to make sure my artwork is within the guide. So I go to Insert and then Rectangle and start drawing a box. I then go up to Size and unlock the padlock. In here I put 177 by 254 millimeters. Now I have a rectangle guide and I can move it into place. From here, just go through and move them into place and resize if needed. We are going to create an offset next, so try leaving a little bit of space for that. From here, you can now delete the rectangle guide as we don't need that anymore. Rubber band select all the designs and go up to Outline. Set the offset distance to 3 millimeters, or this if working in inches. Also uncheck the Add Inner Outline for Bitmap. This will remove any space inside of the offset. Now we are ready to start printing. So I click on Process and it takes me to this screen, which says Use a printer to print the pattern on a material. I then click Print. The print setting dialog box will open up and you just need to go through and change the settings based on the material type you're using. Make sure your print quality is the highest you can get. Before you press the print button, you need to take the material out of the machine and place it into your printer. Then you can click Print and wait for it to be printed out. As you can see, the sticker sheet has printed 3 cross registration marks in the corners. This machine needs those to line up where the cuts will be. Now you can place the sheet back into the machine, line it up with the mat, and this time press down so the sheet is in place. Then close the lid. Back at the computer, come down and click Next. You will see the outlines here, so go up and click Start. Head back over to your machine and press the Start button here as well. The machine will start cutting out the stickers with the offset outlines. Now it is all finished, so open the lid and pull out your paper. As you can see, the machine has Kiss Cut around the butterfly perfectly. Now let's move on to holographic die cut stickers. We are going to use the same design as the butterflies, so place your paper into the machine, lining it up on the mat but not pressing down. Back on the computer, go back to where you are going to print your design. Click on Process and Print. Using the correct settings for the paper you are using, print out the design. Place the sheet back into the machine, line it up with the mat, and then this time press down so the sheet is in place. Then close the lid. Back at the computer, come down and click Next. You will see the machine has taken a photo of the mat where you can now see the printout. First, we need to go to Function and change the Print and Blade Cut to Blade Cut only. This will make sure that we die cut all the way through the paper and not just the first layer like we did with the Kiss Cut method. Go through and delete all the butterfly images, only leaving the outline. You will see more butterfly images underneath, which is part of what we have already printed. Now select the outline and move across until they are matching what is printed. With the outline still selected, go to Settings and change the cut pressure from 75 to 230. Leave the speed at 80 and then change the pass to 2. From here, click Process and then Start. Click Start on the machine and you will start to see it cutting the offset. I pull the negative part off the mat and you can see that they have cut out so well. You can use a tool to lift them off the mat, but I like to unstick the mat and curl it around so I can grab each sticker. I'm impressed with how easy it was to make these, and I love how precise the cut was the first time. If you have any questions or if there's something you would like to see me make on this machine, let me know in the comments. I will leave a link to the unboxing video in the description if you're interested in seeing what materials this thing can cut. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.